There, this is Jay Bowman with your commentary on the Dow Jones for the 21st of February, Monday week. So let's just get to it now. I just wanted to do a bottom-up approach than a top-down approach because it makes it a little bit easier to understand where the Dow is heading in the short term, and then we'll look at the longer-term resistances and so forth. Now, with this, just on the 3-hour graph, I do have a target that it did break on Friday, and with that break of its ascending wedge, and it broke it, and the target is the 12.44, 12.54 level. So really we are looking at the 12.5, and it's only a matter of time. Now let's go to the daily here. See, we had a nice, very strong day on Friday, which was sort of pleasing to see, and with the top of this is top of this envelope here is basically 12,500. That's on a daily. There's not much really to say on the daily because the last 35-40 days it's been, you know, very, very steady, and it's been going up quite nicely. Just following through on these larger time frames targets. So I'll just go to the weekly and show you that. Now we had a flag here, right, and it broke with a nice break, and we got to that level. We got another flag, broke with a nice break, and we're getting to that level. So it's just a matter of time. It's 12.5 to 12.7, top of the horn, which is roughly that around that area. Now that's your weekly, so we're still, you know, there's nothing to stop this one. MACD here looking quite healthy, no problems with it at all. So let's just check out the monthly. Monthly, yeah, you got the 12.5, 12.6 level by the end of this month. You know, I'll just take in consideration about 12, 12.5, and you know, for a bit of a longer term outlook, you could possibly say if it does break this horn pattern on a monthly, say if it was March it broke it, you'd be looking at, you know, 14,000, and I'll just make that a little bit clearer. So 14,600 to 15,000. Now that's all. I'm not saying that's going to happen tomorrow, but you know, it could either, what we could see here is that if I narrow it down onto a weekly basis, once it hits this 12.5 level, we could either see a pullback, right, another flag, and then a break, and then head up further, or we could see just a pullback, and then, you know, just looking at the 12 mark would be definitely a huge support level, and then going further down, you know, the 11.4, 70 mark as the next support, and 11,000. But you know, that's just all hearsay and speculation. I just go what I see, and I see a positive growth for now, and definitely the 12.5 mark, if not more. And you know, as we know that the US government is just doing the QE2 and it's just stimulating it, and you know, emotion with no emotion, putting more money and more money at it. You know, I don't see this coming off for a while unless they would just happen to stop QE2, which I don't think will happen. And especially when it's coming up to election year, we do have to take in consideration that if they do QE3, it's really going to devastate the dollar, and the markets will just go skyrocket, you know, because they're over there in America, they're getting nothing for their housing, they're getting nothing usually on their bonds if you look at it. So where are they getting their yields? Stock market. So let's just keep that in mind. You know, the 12.5, 12.7 mark is definitely something to look at short term, and then after that could possibly get a pullback. But just keep in touch, and I'll let you know what's going on throughout the week and next week and so forth. And if I hear of anything, I'll let you know. So that's me, Jay Bowman, and that'll be signing out till next time. Take care. Bye-bye.